Hello students, today we are going to discuss about epilogue. Before I start with the topic, let's quickly have a review of yesterday's topic, that is prologue. As we discussed, prologue is written at the beginning of a story or a play. And what is it written for? It gives you an introduction about the main characters, about the story, where the story is being plotted, and so on. While epilogue is completely opposite of prologue. So prologue is written at the beginning, while epilogue is a speech or piece of text that is located at the end of the story or a play. And why is being epilogue written? Like prologue tells you about the main character. So what does epilogue tells you about? Epilogues gives you an information about the characters, what happened to them when the story or play finished up. It tells you about the events when the plot is being finished. Right? So you must be thinking, then what's the difference between epilogue and conclusion? They were one and the same thing. No. See, epilogue is located at the end and it's a short speech which is directly given to the audience. It's a short speech which is directly given to the audience when the play finished up or a story finishes up. While conclusion means end or finish or last part of something. Yes. So what's the difference between epilogue and prologue? Prologue, like we discussed, is found at the beginning of the text or a novel, story or a novel, while epilogue is located at the end of the novel or a story. Prologue is written, it gives you introduction about the main characters, background information about the story, while epilogues explains about the what happens to the character when the story ends up or a play ends up. It tells you about the events with what that happened after the plot is being finished. So what are the main points of epilogue? Epilogue is a speech or piece of text at the end of the play or a book. And what does it tells you about? It tells you about what happens to the characters after the story or play finishes. So these are the four main points. A speech or piece of text at the end of the book or a play, and what happens to the character after the story is being finished up. Thank you.